Shh. Shh. Hey, stop. Stop. That hurts my ears. Gotta be quiet. Can you be quiet? Can you be a good girl? Be a good girl, okay? Shh. Be a good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl Kenzie is. Sometimes. You good girl? So quiet. So quiet now. Everyone thinks you have big ears. Can you show them your ears? What a good girl. Look how tiny you are. Look how tiny you are. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. I'm going to sleep now. Good night. Sleepy girl.